Hi guys, once again this side Abhishek here. I have come here by taking the one new videos. So today I thought I should let you know to all the my viewers today. Especially I am here at Wankhede Stadium, and there was a match between that Trump Knight as well as the Sobo Mumbai Falcons, like Suryakumar Yadav versus the Shreyas Iyer, and especially the match. That is very special for that one thing. Like Suryakumar Yadav today he has lost his captaincy for that Indian teams, and he has got excluded from the Indian teams, whereas Shreyas Iyer he has become that from the Punjab Sarpanch to the Indian Sarpanch, and he has got that captaincy for the international like matches T20 in that Indian teams. And apart from this, I wanted to show to all the my viewers like 2 days of especially that mid break it has been happened, and I thought like that Suryakumar team has that they have scored the 145 runs, and after that Shreyas Iyer he had to come to for that batting, whereas Suryakumar Yadav has scored that more than the 48 runs on the 23 balls. Mid break it is going on, so I thought I should make that video and show to all the my viewers how that Wankhede Stadium it looks from that inside, and the today how many people has come. So here you can say like that Vikas he has come with me, and his sister also has come with, and there is one more person, his name is Ritik. He is not there, he has gone for the to bring that water for us, and I want to show you like how does it look from that inside. It has been looking like this, and there is a 3 stages there, and after that you can see like the other city they have been also there. All the people they are enjoying here, and I have got that t-shirt also from that Trump Knight. That is the Suryakumar Yadav teams, but unfortunately I don't think so they are going to win. I had come here for especially to cheer for them only, but the score it is too low because they have scored the 145 runs. So let's see what is going to happen, but I have to enjoy a lot about this match, and I'm hoping like I could witness the one of that cracking match ever. Like it's the second time I have come in that Wankhede Stadium. The first time I had come when that India had on that T20 World Cup, Rohit Sharma was a captain, and that time the victory parade was there, so that time I had come. So watching that Rohit Sharma to coming on this, and you can see like that here my friend Ritik he has come, and he has doing the lots of the effort. He has got water for all of you. Thank you so much Ritik, because you have brought